Next up here, I have Netflix. Netflix is putting in a decent looking consolidation triangle here after the big move on news that it was allowed to be in China, only for their original content. So it's not going to have everything, which will affect somewhat affect its user base, or potential user base I should say, but that is still a huge market for them to go after, and I kind of expect it to push the price up considerably higher, and that's going to be a lot more people, even if it's a small percentage. Now what I'll be looking at here, the day finished as almost as a red hammer candle, left a little bit of room up here at the top with this wick on here at the opening price, which tells me that this gap actually had sellers there waiting for it. So we'll approach this one very cautiously, but I'm still going to be watching it very closely on Monday. Ideally, I will wait for it to come back down to this 8-period exponential moving average, which in a few days will be up here around the 150 area, which, being a nice round number, is going to have some psychological support to it, and likely there will be a lot of buyers there. So first things first, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this 150 level on here, because that's going to be in my opinion, the most ideal place to get in. Now for an intraday trade here, I'm going to be looking for a continuation basically over this consolidation area. Looks like we've got a V bottom here, consolidation area. The stop is going to be just below this 152. And entry long just above 152.36. And if that does trigger in, I don't see why it would not be able to at least test the highs of 153.65, 153.5. So I'm going to go ahead and put my target up there. And if I'm a little late on the commons, I'll actually go and look at some possible calls. I do like the setup overall for Netflix here. It's a very bullish setup in my opinion. Nothing really implies that the market maker's got people on the wrong side of the trade yet, so we'll be looking for some more momentum to the upside. Now it is an inside candle, which means this price action today was inside of all of Thursday. So there will be stops here at 150.74. And if price action does break below there, could be that flash down to 150 that I'll be looking for. So I'll also keep that in mind, and this will be my trade plan for Netflix on Monday.